This is the LaVivid from UniWigs Helper Hair. So yeah, go check them out. They have some amazing pieces. This is synthetic, but it's heat resistant. So if you wash it and want to curl it again, you can totally do that. So I have alopecia areata, and you can see, I'll show you my whole head. I'm going to show you how I like to put this wig on. So first I'm just going to, I just brush out. I hold it by the nape, like so, and then I kind of just dunk my head into it. And then I find if you're having trouble lining it up, make sure your ear tabs are just over your ears, and that is the best way to do it, is just using your ear tabs. So that looks pretty good to me. I think that's where I would wear it. This is the LaVivid from UniWigs Helper Hair. It is a lace front, lace part. It's a nice closed wefting. It has these adjustable straps here at the nape of the neck, so you can adjust it to your size.